Welcome to new video. Is input message used VBA Excel Vba user form. Input message how to use it. Input message. One command button. One label add. Okay. Command button. First declaration letter. I word no problem. Yeah. S S str string. Okay. Yeah. Equal input box. Okay. Yeah. Me Tabel caption sum of variable str stream input message add and mess label. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay, yes, okay. Then check it. Yeah. Any word display. Now this no heading, no default or no. This check in no default no heading how to set this heading. Okay, hard test heading. This same come hard test. Okay, this is empty. The default in vowel no. Okay. Comma default valve. Default valve. Okay. Default valve name title and default valve. Default valve time title add name. Okay. Let calculator know the problem name and okay. The name default of name add name. This okay. The notice. Okay. Name. Okay. Notice. Title notice add test default name. We one is a book. This is book with orange. Any word no problem. Okay, you can understand this input message how to give. Is a the team I I it's no problem anywhere no problem. Okay, you can understand. Please like and subscribe.